Unlocking phrasal verbs. Breaking down, break down. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to have a deep dive into the world of phrasal verbs, focusing on the verb phrase, break down. Phrasal verbs are incredibly common in English and often have multiple meanings, so understanding them can significantly improve your fluency. Break down, as a phrasal verb, can have several meanings based on the context it's used in. It can mean 1. To stop working, especially about machinery or vehicles. For instance, my car broke down on the way to work. 2. To lose control of your feelings and start crying. For example, she broke down when she heard the bad news. 3. To decompose or cause something to be separated into smaller or simpler components. For instance, the body breaks down food into nutrients. Let's go through some examples to better understand the usage of break down in different contexts. 1. My car broke down in the middle of the highway. Here, break down refers to a car ceasing to function. 2. When he heard about his grandmother's passing, he broke down and cried. In this sentence, broke down means losing emotional control. 3. Our task today is to break down the complex problem into smaller manageable tasks. In this scenario, break down means simplifying or separating something into smaller parts. 4. The enzymes in our stomach help to break down food. This use of break down refers to the process of decomposition or conversion. Now, it's your turn. Try to come up with your own sentences using the phrasal verb, break down. Remember, the more you use these phrases, the more natural they will feel. That's it for our exploration of the phrasal verb, break down. Remember, understanding and using phrasal verbs can really take your English to the next level. So keep practicing, keep using them, and you'll break down the barriers to fluency before you know it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.